just stabbed me and you bet I felt it. I tried to kill you, under my blowtorch it melted. You find your clockwork smashed, and now you try to get me back. Before the washer I grimace, man, you know I hate drowning, but nothing's gonna stop you and the seconds you're counting. I reckon next time it's turn. Would you like to lose an eye? So I won't hesitate to use cheap shots, stab in the back, hate love. And Tony, don't think that means I'll be easy on you next time. Open up your skull, see what's inside. Open up your head and free your mind. Without your beating heart, that's what I call love, 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 love. Listen to the music I duet, makes me dance with glee. This is creativity, so just for once, just hear me out. This is love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate to use cheap shots, stab in the back. Your cries make me smile. Oh, why that smirk? It makes me weak. It's your turn now. Hey, love. Do you want to see me bleed out now across your floor? Or do you want something more?
Oh, hello there, Manny. Come to learn about creativity and paint with me? Oh, looks like we're out of red. Hold your arm still, just like that. We'll get some.
I've been spending way too long planning these lessons without you, and torturing the schools without a partner to help strew their blood across the walls and shelf. But I wouldn't mind seeing you bleed out yourself. I love it when your lungs start to fill up with your blood. You get this hopeless face, you're like a weak, pathetic stud. And other times you scowl, while my corpse you disembowel. So I won't hesitate to use cheap shots, stab in the back. Hey, love, let's open up your skull, see what's inside. Open up your head and free your mind. Without your beating heart, that's what I call hey, love. Tony, there's no need to hesitate. Come at me with your all. This feels great. Hey, love. So I open up your skull, see what's inside. Open up your hands and free your mind. Start your beating heart, that's what I love. Your cries make me smile. Listen to the music I do, it makes me dance with glee. This is creativity, so just